Field.
Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. We saw a very frustratingly slow moving system moving in yesterday, and that's what's bringing us slight chances for rainfall for this morning, along with the rest of today's weather. So let me show you why that's the case right behind me here. I've got our surface map up, and there is a blue and red line directly overhead right now. And what does that mean? Well, we're looking at a stationary front, which means there's one air mass moving into another air mass. Right now, there's a cold air mass moving in from the north, and it's bumping up against a warm one. That's what the blue and red represent. Now, a stationary front is when those two air masses just sit up against each other and aren't really moving. That's what we're seeing for today, and along that line of their interaction, that's where activity takes place. Now, eventually, one of those is going to fizzle out and we'll end up with a just cloudy day ahead. But for the first couple hours of the day, they are going to be interacting with each other, and with that, we'll see some activity. That brings us to the forecast for today. It's going to be somewhere in those low 50s, except for down towards the basin where there's some additional heat from this morning, and that's going to carry through all the way into the afternoon, seeing 60 degrees. Like I said, though, mostly just a cloudy one as we move forward. There are rain chances through most of the morning. I'll show you those on our stormcast, but mostly today is dry. The rest of the week, though, I cannot say the same. Looking at our current satellite imagery now, I want to show you this matches up perfectly with that surface map I was showing you. There is our front, that stationary front right there. That diagonal line matches up perfectly with the models. So we're going to see a super accurate forecast for today since all of the math is lining up perfectly. And that brings us to the stormcast. Moving forward to 5 o'clock, just about 20 minutes ago, some activity along the coast. As we move through the rest of the morning, it stays that way. Most of our activity is from Florence out to Corvallis, very little towards the south of that area. Through 10:30, it gets a little bit less prominent, and then 12:30, this is basically the last chance for some showers moving forward through the rest of the day. We've just got a lot more cloud coverage. Now, moving into the 7-day forecast, you'll see things are very active from the coast Tuesday evening forward. Rainy all the way through, sitting at just about 47 for the week ahead. Umpqua Basin 60 for today, dropping into the high 40s Wednesday and Thursday. The wettest day looking like Wednesday and then sometime towards Sunday. Cascade Passes pick up snowfall starting on Wednesday and then go all the way through Sunday, particularly heavy on Wednesday. Willamette Valley at 50 for today, staying close to about 50 the rest of the week. Lots of chances for rainfall.